Introduction to Python Programming Course. Welcome to the Python Programming Course. In this course, you'll embark on a fascinating journey into the world of programming using one of the most versatile and beginner-friendly languages, Python. Whether you're a complete novice or someone looking to expand your programming skills, this course is designed to help you master Python step by step. Python is a high-level, interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Guido van Rossum, creator of Python. Its syntax emphasizes code readability, allowing you to express complex ideas in fewer lines of code compared to other languages. Python's versatility makes it suitable for various tasks, from web development to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Python boasts a vibrant community of developers who actively contribute to its growth. The Python Package Index, PyPI, houses a vast collection of libraries and modules, offering pre-built solutions that save you time during development. Python is cross-platform, meaning you can write code on one operating system and run it on another with minimal modifications. This flexibility is invaluable for projects targeting multiple platforms. Python's gentle learning curve, straightforward syntax, and comprehensive documentation make it an ideal choice for newcomers to programming. You can quickly grasp the fundamentals and start building meaningful projects in no time. As Python's popularity continues to grow, so does the demand for Python developers. Learning Python can open doors to a wide range of career opportunities in fields like web development, data analysis, and scientific computing. In this Python programming course, we will cover everything from the basics of variables and control structures to advanced topics like object-oriented programming, web development, and data analysis. By the end of this course, you'll have the skills and knowledge to create your Python applications and confidently tackle real-world programming challenges. Python is not just a programming language, it's a tool that empowers you to bring your ideas to life. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of programming, let's get started on this exciting journey of learning Python together.